Again.
Alright.
Guys, let's go over to, I'm gonna go in the back. What if I like climb the rope with it? Okay, ready? I go. Oh my god, I'm gonna like miss this thing. This is so cool.
Do you want me to hold it?
Oh my god. This is so Say hi, Lauren. Hi. Oh my god. What if I dropped it on the slide? I'm trying to reach it. I can't reach. If you kick me.